Hi, it's Sarah Taylor. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to first show you my colors. So these are color art pigments. That's a Rebulite mixed with their raw sienna. And that's sassafras. I think there's a bit of autumn leaf in there as well. Actually, that's the sassafras. The other one was called Desert Sand. And then that is Pineapple Crush. And then that is actually a gold pigment from TLP, and then this is Modern Masters Iridescent Pearl mixed with Titanium White by Golden, and then this is a very semi-transparent kind of grayish base coat, and I decided that gold was a little bit too thick, so just adding a bit more water. I'll put the name of that particular gold from TLP in my description. I can't recall. And I named this painting Outshined, and the reason I did that is because I did a similar series kind of like this, I don't know, maybe 3 or 4 months ago, and I really wanted to revisit it because I'm kind of exploring different levels of transparency. And when I did this the first time, I felt like I lost way too much color. So I really wanted to come back to this with this different mindset of only putting a little bit of pigment into the base coat. And I absolutely love the result. I think it kind of outshined the first ones that I had done, where I was using more of my typical white base coat that I had tinted gray. So I started with the white paint, and then I'm layering in the pigments. And I kind of like to do that. I kind of like to sandwich those pigments in between a couple different layers of acrylic usually, but here it's mostly pigment. The only acrylic paint was that white. And, pigments basically turn into an acrylic paint when you mix them. And I mix my pigments practically the same way that I mix my acrylics for this technique. There's a few things to know. The TLP pigments, I add some gel medium to help bind the pigment together. And then with the color art pigments, I usually go ahead and wet it with Liquitex pouring medium before I add the other mediums. So I'll put some helpful links below, and I encourage you to like and subscribe if you have not already, if you enjoy my work, and I really appreciate you being here. You can shop for products on my Amazon, and I've got a wonderful Patreon group as well with some teaching content and a Facebook group. It's really been a wonderful community there. All right. Thank you for your support and your love. And I hope you enjoy this painting. I'm going to be doing this on a large canvas very soon, adding some different colors as well. All right. Much love, you guys. Take care. Bye.
into